I'm super excited. I designed an entire collection for the show. I'm gonna do an unboxing. It's different when you go from the computer to the actual piece. The design, it was a baseball jersey, a t-shirt, a hoodie, fanny pack, a string bag, doggy hoodie, as well as the doggy baseball jersey. We sell dye sublimation apparel 1-piece minimum, 24 to 48 hour turnaround times. Yeah, that's your girl. Alright, let's open this box. It looks just like on the computer screen. Chicago themed. I used the flag as the colors. Let's open it. The stars supposed to be on the inside, so it's alright. Still came out nice. It's my bucket hat. The dog jersey. So cute. Here's my t-shirt. My fanny pack. Chicago skyline. That's it.